Wait. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Oh, I'm glad you're on my team this time. This guy, you get me out
Then I'm like, this motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That
like 20 times.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not that good. I'm
He doesn't
dead.
even play airsoft.
Did you turn that on? You turned the tracer on? There you go.
Oh, you have to like get it started for it to fucking feed anything. I've got a couple ways off. My balls still hurt from the grenade.
Flashback.
Oh, that hit me right in the dick. Oh, the grenade hit me in the dick.
Hit you in the dick? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Where'd it go?
Right there.
Well, you said you wanted another one.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
End of flashback.
Get in?
Do it. What? Oh no.
What are you aiming at?
Jesus Christ.
I'm not leaving. I'm getting it.
Hold on, you want to do me a favor? Just spray that wall for a second. Watch out. Suppressing fire, take cover! Right here. Go.
Where?
In that room, straight ahead.
Got him.
Another one. Got him.
Did they jump on your team?
No, you might want to watch out though.
Patrick, is that you?
What?
I said, is that you?
I can't hear you! It's too dark in here!